Today I'm putting up my KAMANINA Curtain Rods. I got a 2-pack. It's really nice because they are telescoping rods, so they can easily extend from 48 to 86 inches. It applies to the window with 36 to 82 inches. So it's great for a kitchen, a bedroom, living room, dining room, office, or really any other place that you'd need a curtain. They're nice and strong. The curtains that I had up before, the rod was terrible. It ended up bending in the middle. When my kids tried to open and close it, it would get caught. It was just terrible. So these are thicker and durable and sturdy. It measures 6/8 of an inch diameter rod and a 5/8 inch diameter inner rod. It has 0.6 millimeter thickness, and it's made of strengthened metal. Like I said, more durable and sturdier than my other weak rods. The weight capacity is up to 22 pounds. It has a nice modern style, multiple uses. The cap ends are brushed nickel, is the kind I chose. It's really visually simple yet notable appearance. It just makes a really nice finished end to your curtain rods. You can get these in multiple different colors, so you can match multiple house styles and kinds of curtains. They work with curtains such as the grommet, the back tab, the rod pocket, and the tab top curtains. The ones I have are the rod pocket ones, and they really just slid on so nicely. Other ones I have had a lot of trouble with catching on the ends and ripping the material. These slid on super nice. Installation was really easy. I did already have holes drilled from my previous curtains, but it did make it a lot easier to have a drill on hand. I just didn't have to drill new holes, which was nice in my case. I did put in the anchor so that it made sure that the rod would be nice and sturdy. It did come with 3 hooks. I only used 2 because my window was the shortest is a 48-inch window, so I didn't need to have that third support tab. But yeah, I really like these. It was super easy to install, and they look really nice and clean, and most of all, they're sturdy, which is really important. I really like them, and I think you will too.